titingnan natin si John kung naayos ba niya yung boiler. Kasi nagka-problema kasi sa boiler. Naglilik yung boiler, oh.
Leaking boiler is the word.
Tingnan niyo yan, oh.
You just shine that torch there.
So it means mga palangga, pag nasira to, itong boiler, we don't have a hot water or even a water, honey, isn't it?
We have water.
We have water, but not hot water. Is that right? Honey bee?
Eh?
No hot water?
Not at the minute.
Yeah.
We will have it.
Yung tubig nila dito, pag sinabing malamig, malamig talaga. Parang ice. Parang nilagyan ng yellow. Ayan. You're very handy man, aren't you?
I have to be. Where's that one? I just had a big one. It's so easy to use that. Not my steel wagon, is it?
I don't know.
Just have that window down.
The dog is barking. And Jen said, we will have a delivery. No.
What about the green manager?
I don't know, hon. The dog is looking towards the road. Yeah, Binman. There you go. May Binman. Kaya ayun, si Pipa. Nagbabark siya. Itong si Phoebe, hindi ko talaga naririnig na nagbabark. Si Pipa lang yung pinakamaingay. Tingnan nyo yung orchids natin. May bulaklak. Yan. It's a stem. Ito rin, oh. Dito rin. Ito, kamuto. Roots. Yung ibang orchids natin. Yung pinutulan ko ng ng roots. Hindi naman siya namatay, thankfully. Akala ko talaga magtatampo siya sa akin. Pero, luckily, hindi siya nagtampo sa akin. Ito siya. Yan. At ito. So, at least okay lang sila ba? I hope talaga maayos si Mr. yung boiler. Kasi pag walang hot water, nako, ayaw kong maligo. Sa Pilipinas, wala kaming hot water sa Pilipinas. Okay lang na walang hot water. Pero dito mga palangga, nako, sinasabi ko parang may yellow yung tubig nila dito. Kaya kailangan talaga na may hot water kasi pag wala, nako, manginginig ka talaga. Have you managed to fix it? Han? Hindi nakikinig. Honey, have you managed to fix it? Yes, he fixed it. I need to deal the dishwasher. The laundry. Because he need to wash the towel that he used. Ilalagay ko to sa clothes made. I will iron them later. We need to get the bin. Kasi yung bin man has been. so noisy. Jan is waiting. What?
The thing is, right?
There you go.
If you don't tie this up.
I know.
Right, now I'll show you how to do it, darling. Put that through there.
I know how to tie.
Like that. Yes?
Yeah.
Pull that tight to there.
Mm.
And then go around there.
Yeah.
Cross over.
Yeah.
And then cross again. And that's it. So now it can't, when the wind comes, it can't blow it into your car.
Yeah. Nagsampay ako. I hope it will get dry. Sabi ni Jan, it will be a good day. So, hopefully, yung sinampay natin, at least, ano lang naman, matuyo at least 70%. Ako talaga, gustong-gusto ko bumili ng dryer. Pero si Jan yung ayaw kasi he said it's not green daw. Hindi maganda sa mga sa mga damit. Which is totoo naman talaga. Hindi talaga maganda yung dryer pag palagi mong ginagamit sa damit mo. So, well, we manage anyway without it. Pero sometimes, there are times talaga na sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na I wish we had a dryer. Pero, there are days na sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay lang na wala. It looks like it's gonna rain. So, we need to get our sinampay. Aalis kasi kami. Kasama ako kay Jan. Kukuha lang kami ng mga supply para sa workshop, para sa trailers. Ewan ko kung gaano ba to ka-dry itong mga sinampay natin, oy. They're almost dry. Ito lang yung susuotin ko. Okay naman siguro eh. Hindi naman ako lalabas sa sasakyan. Kaya ito na lang yung susuotin ko pagpunta namin sa town. We're going. We'll be back later, Pipa Pipi, okay?
Yeah, Mama. Come this way.
You need to carry me.
Don't need to carry it anywhere.
Thank you.
Wipe your feet before you get in there.
There you go. Timber and building supply.
Timber. Time for lunch.
Oh dear.
Got a bit of a humpy there.
Yeah, very humpy.
Huh?
Where are we going?
Straight down here.
Straight down here?
Straight down.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Come on. Where's he going?
Thank you.
Okay, we'll go this side because heavy stuff's at this side.
So you just load it yourself?
Well, I will do. Somebody will probably come out and do something.
Ah. So we are here. I'm not going outside.
No, just went there down there. Don't talk to any strangers.
What's wrong with you? Don't be jealous.
I'm not. I'm going to
Mm.
be jealous. Because I know for a fact you'd never find anybody better than myself. Because I'm the bestest English guy you could ever have.
Oh, his face. There he is.
Right, we're going to pay for it now.
So where do you pay? How much?
£101.
£101 for how many woods?
Well, there's 4 pieces of 8x2, 2 pieces of 6x2, there's 2 pieces of 1x4, and there's 3 pieces of Harris rail.
And tingnan nyo, may catalog. Titingnan natin yan later. Ouch! There's a hump. Oh my gosh.
She just has a bit of a wobble on that stuff.
Hello girls, we're back. We're back, okay?
Hello, mommy.
Hihintayin natin si Mr. Lalabas na yan. Where is he? Ang daming mga crow. I don't like the sound of them. They sound very creepy. Kasi mahilig kasi ako manood ng horror movie. At diba pag may horror, ganyan, yung mga sound effect nila, may mga crow. Nakakatakot. Bye, honeybee!
Hi, darling.
Okay. Bye-bye. Aalis siya to pick the Polaris. Kasi tapos na daw yung nag-rent. So, ipipick up niya. Tatawagan na lang daw niya ako para mag-start ako magluto ng tea time namin. Some or one of you nag-comment na you need to put a shirt on him. I know. So, he will not be naked. Naku, oy. Tumatawag si Mr. Na-miss ko yung tawag ni Mr. Kaya tatawagan natin siya ulit. Ang laki ng pimples ko. Hello? On your way? Okay, I will start cooking then. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Pauwi na siya. So, magluluto na tayo. So, for our tea, magpapasta tayo ngayon. Bolognese. I just need to boil water. This time, I will not break the spaghetti. Almost there. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig sa bottom. We need onion. Every time na lang, pinapaiyak mo ako. Oh, sakit naman ako. Ito yung mince natin. Kukunin ko lang yung sauce. Yan. Ito yung sauce. Spaghetti sauce Filipino style. Yung stick mince natin. Oh. Huwag isama yung papel. Hindi yan recommended. At hintayin lang natin siya mga palangga na mag-brown. Lalagyan ko din siya ng kaunting asin. John is home.
John is home.
You are home.
I was ready for my dinner.
Well, the dinner is not ready. The tea is not ready yet. So you need to wait for a little bit. Kailangan nating mag-grate ng cheese. Wala akong parmesan as usual. So yung gamitin ko lang is yung cheese. Yung cheddar cheese na meron kami. There you go. Ano ba? Tabingi. Yan. So yung mince natin, brown na siya completely. Kailangan ko lang i-drain yung liquid kasi tingnan niyo oh. Sobrang daming liquid. So, i-drain ko lang sandali, ha? So, ilalagay ko na yung sauce. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese. And with our bolognese, magka-garlic bread tayo. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng parchment paper. Naku, frozen. Sobrang tigas. Frozen nga, diba? So, obviously, matigas. John really like this garlic bread. Ito yung favorite niya. Ilalagay ko na siya sa oven for 10 minutes. Naka-preheat yung oven, so I don't think so it will take 10 minutes. I think it will be ready before 10 minutes. Kailangan ko na lang itong tikman. Masarap. Ready na! Lagyan natin ng cheese on top. At yung garlic bread. It looks so masarap. Kain. So, ito siya mga palangga. Nanonood ng TV si Mr. So, ihahatid natin yung tray niya. How is it?
So sweet is this sauce, isn't it? Good.
Do you like it?
So Step close home, well done, Chase. But now we're rocking and rolling.
You're so busy watching your chase. Kain, oy.
Of course. Okay, I hope to see you at the Redbridge Drama Centre and all your shows. I think it's great. Good luck with the play, taking it to the Fringe as well.
Yeah.
However, you have been caught to view the chase.
Thank
Please
you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Ay, ang init.
Wow. When the first player gets through, especially with the high offer, what you want to do is starve him with support. That's what I'm doing.
Well, let's see. Does Hannah's last to play? Can she add some 20 grand? Find out after the break.
Strive and strive, number 75. You're getting better.
GalaBingo.com happily sponsors the chase.
I'll just put that one there.
See? He's always blaming me
Oh, just an apple.
that he's putting weight because of me. Blame your mother, John. That's from Mama too. Of that ditloaf.
Oh, darling, I eat it.
Blame your mother.
I eat it.
When she, if ever she will see this vlog, if she will watch this vlog, she will be mad at me. Ah. Nagpre-prepare na si Mister. Just take a banana just in case. Don't be shy.
Not sure.